Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw a crow in charcoal pencils, and I'm just going to give a very quick glance about what is charcoal and what is for. Friends, if you have already worn a charcoal pencil, you might know all these things which I'm going to say in this video. Friends, if you are interested in charcoal and you don't know anything about it, it's just a medium as graphite, but it will be so dark, and there are several types of charcoal. The charcoal pencil is first used in France in 19th century and it became so famous after that. Actually, charcoal is used for drawing by the people in forest who just draw their hunted animals on the rocks. It has been expertised in France in 19th century, and after that lot of artists had used it, and it has been century of using the charcoal pencils. Charcoal pencils are much darker than the graphite, but still there are some graphite grades you can find in some brands which is darker same as charcoal, but still charcoal will never be shiny. But if you are using a higher grade of graphite pencil, it will be look more shinier and it will not looking appealing to the viewer, or it will not be pleasing as charcoal. Then friends, charcoal are used by artists, even by graphite artists, for creating that dark areas. Yeah, as I said, to get rid of that shiny look. But I have never used that technique, but still it is working out for a lot of artists. Friends, please make sure and please know this, that charcoal won't be used on top of graphite, but you can use graphite on the top of chalk, because charcoal is loosely settled down into paper, but graphite is not like that. Then friends, you can see the live example for that. I'm using graphite powder on the top of charcoal and it will be working out. Then friends, that's it. And when you're starting out, your lines will not be looking that much dynamic, but once you're keeping at it, it will be looking good. Then friends, if you're watching till now, I'd love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, I'd love to have you subscribe right here and turn on the post notifications. Thank you so much for watching, friends. See you on the next video.